Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing extremely well. So today in this video we are going to talk about multiple hiring opportunities for multiple batches. So make sure to watch the complete video. But before proceeding further in the video, if you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed our channel till now, then guys please make sure to subscribe our channel. It will really motivate me to make more such content for you, and also the channel will be helpful for you. You will be stay updated for all the upcoming opportunities. So do subscribe our channel and be a part of our Telegram community as well. The link for the Telegram channel is given in the description itself. So let's start with our first opportunity, that is from Capgemini. So as you can see, Capgemini is hiring for the role of software engineer. Now what is the job description? So let's have a look on that as well. So you should be having a BE, BTech, MTech degree, freshers graduated in the year 2020, 2021. You should be having knowledge in core Java, Java design patterns, Spring Framework, Hibernate, RESTful, MySQL. Having a certification in Java is mandatory. Willingness to learn niche RPA tools, adopt new tools and techniques, should be an individual contributor to work on any phase of the project lifecycle, ability to work on the code management tools and techniques. Now, what are the primary skills? So, good understanding of core Java, Python, Java design pattern, Spring Framework, Hibernate, RESTful, MySQL, good presentation skills you should have, and they have mentioned secondary skills as well, that knowledge in advanced Java will be a plus, good understanding of theoretical concept of OOPS and Java, right? So this is our opportunity from Cap. सो गाइस जैसा कि आप देख सकते हो आजकल काफी सारी कंपनीज में रेलेवेंट स्किल सेट इज रिक्वायर्ड to get placed, right? They ask for Java, Python, and many other skills. So here you can see I want to tell you about Internshala training. They do offer trainings on multiple things like is in programming, business and management, core engineering, data science, design, creative arts. So let's say you are interested in the web development part. So we can go through about the content. So first of all, these are the highlights what they offer. Certificate of training, beginner friendly, 8 weeks access. And what I like about their content was whatever you are learning, you are doing the practical implementation of the same. So that's why there is one project included, so that whatever you have learned in this training, you will be doing the hands-on for the same, because along with the theoretical knowledge, practical knowledge is also important, right? And that's what you will be using in industry as well. So although there is no language problem, you can see learn in English or Hindi. Downloadable content is here. Placement assistance, while in web development, because it is too much in demand first of all, and you can build awesome websites. So certificate is one thing, but practical implementation by doing a project and all, so that is very very important. So as of now they are offering discount on their training, so go grab this wonderful opportunity. The link is provided in the description itself, so go check the link and grab this opportunity and be industry ready. Gemini, let's talk about our next opportunity, that is from Amdocs. So Amdocs is basically hiring for the role of software engineering associate graduate in Pune location. So let's proceed further about this. So you will be responsible for design, development, modification, debug, and maintenance of software system. What will your job look like? So you will design, develop, modify, debug, or maintain software code according to functional, non-functional, and technical design specification. You will follow Amdocs software engineering standards, applicable software development methodology, and release processes to ensure code is maintainable, scalable and supportable, and demo the software products to stakeholder. You will investigate issues by reviewing debugging code, provide fixes and workarounds, and review changes for operability to maintain existing software solution. You will work within a team, collaborate and add value through participating peer code reviews, provide comments and suggestions, and work with cross-functional teams to achieve goals. You will assume technical accountability for your specific work products within an application. Right. So all you need is BE, BTech, ME, MCA, stream, ENTC, CSE. ITMC is only allowed. So you need to what 60% with no year down. Passing out year is 2021. That is eligible. So let's talk about our next opportunity now. So that is from Siemens. Siemens is basically hiring for the role of software developer. As you can see, location is going to be Bangalore. Responsibilities are, so you have to design, develop and test, do the testing of features in the application, support the entire application life cycle, requirement analysis, effort elimination, design, coding, unit testing, and integration testing. Responsible for analysis of complaints, escalations reported from the field. Collaborate with cross-functional teams. 0 to 2 years of strong hands-on experience in C#, OOPS, and design principles and patterns. Basic knowledge of C, C++, unit testing, framework, data structure, inter-process communication, multi-threading, and performance tuning you need. So here's our next opportunity from Masai X. So you can see join Masai X, got a skills get job by Masai School to prove your skills and land a job as a software developer at a salary of rupees 8 LP or above. As part of the Masai X program, the first step is to clear the DSA coding challenge. Upon clearing the same, applicants will enter the interview rounds of the Masai X got skills get job program, which will involve screening of programming fundamentals and an in-depth technical evaluation. The entry into the Masai X program is free of cost. So here you can see the DSA coding challenge will be there, then the announcement of the result for the DSA coding challenge for top 50, screening round in programming fundamentals and an in-depth tech evaluation, placement and interview with Masai School's hiring partner companies. So for coding challenge format, they have specified 5 programming questions on data structure and algorithm. Objective of the challenge, they have mentioned that it is like Masai School is proud to announce the launch of Masai X Got Skills Get Job as part of the program. Candidate from any educational background, minimum 12th pass, age 18 to 20. So there is not a specific criteria. If you're from 20 batch, 21 batch, 2019 batch, you all can apply it 2020 to 2023, because they have just mentioned you should be 12th pass and age should be in this range. Can be a part of this program and have an opportunity to find their dream jobs with one of Masai School's hiring partner at a minimum salary of rupees 8 LP or above. So first round include a coding contest in data structure and algorithm. The participants are expected to solve 5 different coding questions within 2 hours with a difficulty level ranging from easy to hard. All submissions have to be made within the duration, and participants can also choose to submit the solution before the end of 2 hours. They may use any of the multiple programming language available to solve any problem. So it's not like there's no language restriction. So yeah, go for this challenge, apply for this. So you can see it will be closed on 9th of Jan and it is going to be started from 7th of Jan. So make sure to do the registration on time. So let's talk about our next opportunity, that is from, so here's our next opportunity from Airtel, right? So Airtel is basically hiring for the role of software development engineer. The location is going to be Gurgaon. The responsibilities of the candidates are going to be participate in the full development life cycle, work within broadly defined parameters including design, development, testing and maintenance, own the delivery of a module within a large system or application, work closely within the with the senior engineers to understand and develop software solution, work on generating revenue and canopy engagements. Requirements are must have first-hand working knowledge of web services, should have computer science fundamentals and object-oriented design, must have computer science fundamentals in data structure, should have computer science fundamentals in algorithm design, problem solving and complexity analysis, must have proficiency in at least one modern language like C, C++, Java, etc. Must have strong verbal and written communication skills and an ability to think clearly, analyze quantitatively, proactively, solve problems, scope technical requirements and prioritize, must have proven result-oriented person with a delivery focus, and should have the willingness to dive into software environments and all. So experience, as they have mentioned, 0 to 34 years. So even if you are a fresher, you can apply for this opportunity. So this is it. These were some of the opportunities for you. I hope that you have found this video useful. If it is so, make sure to hit the like button, do subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Bye bye.